I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft PowerToys on your computer and then guide you through its amazing features, like searching for files in seconds, resizing a bunch of photos within seconds, previewing a file without opening with just a keystroke, extracting text from an image or video, and much more. Watch the entire video for more surprises ahead. You're going to love it. Let's first install PowerToys by visiting Microsoft Store from your Windows computer, laptop, or desktop. Open Microsoft Store by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard or by clicking on the Windows Start menu. Once opened, type PowerToys in the search bar, and once you find it, click on Install and wait for it to be installed, and then open it. You will be greeted with so many different options that it can be a little overwhelming at first, but no worries. I will simplify the most powerful features for you, which I'm sure you will use every day, making your life easy. You can thank me for it by liking the video and subscribing to my channel for more amazing videos like this. Now that you got PowerToys open and running, let's begin. Number 1. PowerToys Run, the ultimate search engine for your computer. To summon it, just hit Alt plus space on your keyboard and the search bar will appear for you to start typing. And within seconds, you will find the file you were looking for as you type in real time, all that without breaking a sweat. Number 2. FancyZone module. You already had the ability to position windows in different areas of the screen by using snap layouts in Windows 10 and 11 in order to multitask. But manipulating them in just the right way can still be challenging. There are times when you have to multitask and access a bunch of open windows, and it can be time-consuming to have to minimize and maximize those windows again and again. So, to avoid this, you can create a custom layout suited to your task on hand, depending which layout is best for your productivity. You can explore all the options and experiment until you get your desired layout. And don't worry, you won't break anything. Click on FancyZones in PowerToy settings and select Launch Layout Editor to set up your zones. Choose one of the default templates, such as columns, rows, or grid. You can then add or remove zones as you see fit. Alternatively, click on Custom to build a completely new layout from scratch. Here, you can follow the on-screen instructions to fine-tune your layout. Make your own snap zones. How cool is that? You can summon this feature by using the keyboard shortcut Windows plus Shift plus tilde key. As a more advanced users, you can customize the keyboard shortcut that worked for you by going to the pencil icon and change it to the one you would find it easy to remember. If you don't want to do this, no problem. You can simply open PowerToys and launch the layout editor from there. Number 3. Always on top. This little feature may come in handy if you have multiple programs open and you want one of the program windows to stay on top of everything. For example, the calculator app. To pin a specific window on top of others, simply use the shortcut Windows key plus Control plus T on your keyboard, and you will see that the current window will have a blue border around it and will stay on top of all the other windows. To unpin the pinned window, use the same keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Control plus T. There you go, it's done. Number 4. Peek. This amazing feature is such a time saver. You will love it. Suppose that you have a bunch of files that you need to go through to pick and choose. Then instead of opening each file and closing them, and then moving to the next one and repeating the same process, it can become a hassle. To avoid all that trouble, simply summon the Peek feature in PowerToys by using the keyboard shortcut Control plus spacebar after selecting the file you want to quickly preview, and then press Escape key once you are done. There you go. Now you can use the same shortcut to view each file. Awesome, isn't it? Number 5. Image resizer. When you want to resize or compress an image and make it smaller in size, then select the file by right-clicking or select a bunch of files in File Explorer. Right-click on them and select the Resize Picture option. You can choose the size you want to use, which is small, medium, large, or devise your own custom fit. Then click the Resize button to resize or compress the image. While you are at it, explore more settings and try what works for you while saving you an enormous chunk of time. Number 6. Text extractor. A convenient way to copy text from anywhere on the screen, whether it's an image or a video or any other text displayed on your screen. For that, we're going to open an image and see the text extractor in action by using the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Shift plus T. and then select the text area. Once you select the area, open the clipboard by using the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus V, and you'll have the text already copied to the clipboard, ready to use anywhere. Easy peasy. Number 7. Find my mouse. This happens to everyone when we cannot locate the mouse cursor on the screen, which can be frustrating at times. Say goodbye to it. Just hit Control key twice, and there will be a ripple animation around your mouse cursor. No more losing your mouse again. Number 8. Advanced Paste. This is a power pack. You have two options when it comes to pasting text or file from one place to another. After copying the text, if you want to paste it somewhere without its formatting and want just plain text, then use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Control plus Alt and V to paste it as plain text. To open a more advanced paste window with more options, simply copy the item and use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Shift plus V, and you have all the options at your fingertips. Number 9. Color Picker. It's a quick and simple on-screen color picker. Those of you who do any type of graphic design work or web design may at times need to create a specific color. In some cases, you might spot just the right color on your screen and want to capture it to use in your projects. Well, now you can, thanks to Color Picker. Just use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Shift plus C and hover over the color. It will instantly generate the hex color code for you. When you left-click, it will give you the hex color along with RGB and HSL color values. No more scratching your head trying to match a color. Number 10. Keyboard Manager. Using this powerful feature, you can remap any keys or keyboard shortcuts like a boss. Each key on your keyboard performs a specific function, but what if you want a key to do something else? No more using third-party software to remap your keyboard. You can open PowerToys settings and select Keyboard Manager. If you wish to change the function of a single key, then click on Remap a key. In the Physical Keys section, click the plus sign and then either press the key you want to change or select it from the drop-down menu. In the Mapped To section, type or select the key you want to activate when you press the first key. Click OK, and your key will be remapped to its new role. Be careful when assigning individual keys because they may have essential functions in Windows or its applications. So, proceed with caution. You are good as long as you know what you are doing. The Keyboard Manager also allows you to assign different keyboard shortcuts. To do this, select Remap a shortcut. Click on the plus sign, then press the shortcut you want to use. In the Map To section, type or select the action you want that keyboard shortcut to activate. Click OK, then use the shortcut you remapped. You can delete a key or shortcut at any time by opening the Keyboard Manager settings window and clicking the bin icon next to the shortcut you want to remove. There are many other useful features of PowerToys for you to explore once you get comfortable using it. Each option is further customizable and can be tweaked to your specific need. So, dive in and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ask any questions or recommendations you may have in the comment sections. See you in the next video.